this might be the product for you. Today we will take a closer look at one of the newer products from the Rapoo, which is VT900, an optical gaming mouse. When compared to their previous mice, this is the first one which has gone under some impactful design changes. And personally, I can say that it feels a lot better when put side by side with a mouse that rocks the standard design. This mouse is also more versatile in the utility compartment, as it has 10 individual and customizable buttons and 7 different DPI settings ranging from 300 to 16,000. Furthermore, there are 2 different presets for the DPI, normal and gaming. You can set the mouse to memorize 2 DPI settings without you having to scroll through all of them. At first you might accidentally click one of the buttons and, without you realizing, changing the DPI settings, but it doesn't take long for you to adapt to the button placement. Another unique thing which you won't see in many other mice is an adjustable counterweight system. It's fairly easy in a way where you can remove up to 6 weights, each one being 3 grams. It might not sound like much, but once you do start experimenting, it really leaves you with a completely different vibe. If you do decide to get this mouse, then be sure to visit their website, where you can download a software program which lets you freely change the LED light on the mouse via stats like your APM and DPI in real time and much more. Rapoo's website is in the description, so go to them and see what else they got to offer. But that's it for now. Goodbye.